sweet viewers, did you know one small mistake in a single letter can completely change the meaning of the Quran? So today we will fix it, inshallah, step by step. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Professional Quran Tutors. So today, inshallah, as you know, firstly listen carefully. As you know, we have done already 4 lessons about singular letter in alphabetical order. So today, inshallah, we will start lesson number 5 and line number 5. So please listen carefully, step by step. Then after you will repeat it. Okay, let's start now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, so this is our line number 5. So from here we are starting our lesson today. So please you listen carefully. So for pronouncing za, firstly I want to tell for za origin we have done already in the letter ral and fa. Okay, so if you have any doubts, so you can check in these 2 letters in the previous lessons and the previous video. But also I will tell you now the origin of the za. We are using here our tip of tongue to touch with the edge of upper to front teeth. Check now. So this is the inner view of the mouth. So tip of the tongue touch with the edge of upper to front teeth. Okay. So this is our origin of this letter. So our next letter Ain. Listen again. Ain. So for pronouncing Ain, we are using our part of throat. So actually I told you the part of throat are 3. It's upper part, middle part and lower part. So in this letter we are using our middle part of throat. And also I will show you the origin of this letter. So check please. The origin of this letter is middle part of throat. Okay, so we are using here middle part of throat. Ain, pronouncing letter Ain from the middle part of throat. Okay, Ain. And for the Ghain, and also you can check for the Ghain please. So our line number our letter number 3, that is Ghain. Listen again. Ghain. So the origin of Ghain are also very easy, and also here we are using our part of throat, that is upper part of throat that is near to the mouth. Okay, so Ghain. Okay, so we are going back on the page, and now last letter, that is fa. Listen again. Fa. Okay, so for pronouncing fa, we are using our tip of upper to front teeth, or you can say edge of upper to front teeth. Okay, edge of upper to front teeth we are using here. Check please. So this is our edge of upper to front teeth and is touching with the inner part of our lower lip. Okay, so we're gonna start using tip of 2 front teeth touching inner part of our lower lip. Okay, so please you can check carefully this lesson, and alhamdulillah we have done this lesson. And for the practice tips, my respected student, don't rush and don't read fastly, and please practice your lesson very carefully and give each letter its right. Okay, and if you want your child to read Quran with correctly, and you know, perfect pronunciation is not difficult. It just needs correct practice and patience. So if you want your child to read Quran with correct tajweed and confidence, so join Professional Quran Tutors. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.